Hello kids, welcome to our third mental math. Remember you will hear each question twice, 2 times, and please don't pause the audio because the quiz is timed, okay? So, are you ready? Number 1. What is 300 and 700? What is 300 and 700? Number 2. 8 times 7. 8 times 7. Number 3. What is 200 minus the double of 100? What is 200 minus the double of 100? Four. Which from the numbers you see are multiples of 9? Which of the numbers you see are multiples of 9? Five. What is 7 times 6? What is 7 times 6? Six. What is 100 take away 45? What is 100 take away 45? Seven. Please choose between true or false. 5 and 6 are factors of 30. 5 and 6 are factors of 30. Remember, the word factors mean that two numbers that multiply together give you 30. 8. The double of 500. The double of 500. 9. What number must I add to 30 to get a total of 130? What number must I add to 30 to get a total of 130? 10. 5 times 7. 5 times 7. 11. What is the half of 70? What is the half of 70? 12. What is 300 plus the half of 100? Number 12. What is 300 plus the half of 100? "13. 70 divided 10. 70 divided 10. "14. Divide 45 in 5. Divide 45 in 5. "15. What is 25 plus 5 times 4? What is 25 plus 5 times 4? Now, for numbers 16 to 20, you're going to answer the questions that you see in the questionnaire, okay? For questions 16 to 20, you're going to answer the questions that you find in the questionnaire.